Hey YouTubers, I have a neighbor across the ravine right there that has a dog that barks 4, 5, 6, 7 hours a day. And although the neighbors adjacent to him and across him have complained and called the animal control regarding his barking dog, he seems to be arrogant, ignorant, and whenever he wants, he lets the dog out that barks nonstop for hours. So I hear, you know, we hear his dog barking when we're in our room here watching TV or entertaining ourselves, and it's a pain in the you know what. So that prompted me to build a sound cannon to deter the barking dog, because it seems that that gentleman there has no remorse or concern about the neighbors around him. And let's go see what we have. I ordered a ultrasonic sound generator from Germany. It's this device here. It's by Chemo M048N, and as you can see, it has 4 connectors, 2 for the power and 2 for piezo speakers, and that's what they recommend, that speaker there, or the other one here. That's their website, and there are some companies who sell all this stuff locally and also on some bidding websites. Here's the translation of their device for birds: 10 kilohertz, the position of the control, which is this, and it goes from 1 to 10. You put from 3 to 4. For rodents, 24 to 32. That's kilohertz. Position 7 to 8. Insects, 8 to 10. But all these is variable depending on the circumstances. So you have to work with it and practice back and forth to see which one will work for you. So basically it's from 4 kilohertz to 40 kilohertz. What I did in the beginning, I used the magnetic tweeter to do the job. But then I read more into the instructions, and they don't recommend a magnetic tweeter. What they recommend is a piezo tweeter. So I bought like 3 of them. That's this model here, L001. And they say you can hook up to 5 of them to this device for a larger area. But I don't have a large area. What I have is about 125, 100 feet distance. So the range of this wouldn't work. So I got me a 1.5 inch PVC tube at the length of 40 inches, and I put a filter, a mesh at the end to keep the insects and the birds away, and I cut it slanted so the water won't get in, and it's 40 inches. And I took one of the piezo tweeters out of one of the speakers, and I installed the tweeter in this enclosure here. I soldered wires to it, and I sealed the entry and also the surrounding to keep everything out, water, moisture, insects out, to see how it works. And I don't know why I choose the 40 inch, but I figured this will give me room if I want to play with the length of it, so I can reduce the length in segments slowly, one by one, once all the options here are not in satisfactory mode. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hook it up to a battery and utilize it and give you kind of a hint of the sound that it makes. And it's a really, really high-pitched sound that isolates and even can drive the looters and people, especially younger people, that have a better hearing than older people, that'll drive them nuts. So stand by, I'll hook it up, and we'll see the sound levels on it. Okay. I connected the sound generator to the speaker, the piezo speakers embedded in the tube. And I'm gonna connect the battery and see how it goes. Okay, we have the power light on. And we're at 1. And I'm gonna go front of the cannon. And I think you can hear the high pitch that it's emitting. And I can tell my little dog there, Yoda, is not happy. And she's just standing there wondering what's going on. So let's change the pitch of it. I'm gonna go to 3.5. He's still wondering. Oh, he walked away. I don't know if you can hear anything. is beyond my here. I'm gonna go to 5.5. I don't think anybody can hear that 5.5 level. Well, the dog walked away. Bamboo is the older one that I know has a bad hearing based on the vet. So let's ramp him up all the way to 10, which is about 40 kilohertz. I don't know if you can hear it or not, but I can see that Bamboo's ear moved and it's pointed backwards, kind of. So all I have to do now is set this up in the back towards the barking dog and see what kind of adjustment I should give it to deter the dog from barking. I'm gonna go back to 1 settings, and I can hear it. And I don't know what setting I should put it on for the about 120 feet distance with the shrubs obstructing the cannon. And I'll keep you updated on it. Thank you.